Assalamualaikum everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss another important practical of organic chemistry, and this practical is about identification of unknown compound urea. So, before we are going to start our video, I request to you to please subscribe to my channel and also like my videos to get all these practical lectures as well as the form D lectures to you, and it also included all the MBBS student subjects in it. You have to carefully watch this video because I have uploaded all the lectures about the MBBS student, for the Form D students, and all the other students which are belonging to other science fields. So now practicals are also discussed in my channel, so please subscribe it and like my videos. Now we are going to start our lecture. So first we are going to discuss the primary test. You have to make the block and write the experiment, observation, and interference. So here an identified compound urea will be given to you, and you are asked to confirm that it is urea or another compound. So now you are performing various tests on this unknown compound, and at the last you will identify it that what is this compound. So first you will see the physical appearance of that compound. As we see in the previous lecture, I have uploaded the video for the identification of benzoic acid and the benzamide. So this was the third video of our practical, and in this practical we see the physical appearance of the urea. So it is also white in color and has crystalline solid form. So the benzoic acid, benzamide, as well as urea, all of them has white crystalline solid like physical appearance. So this physical appearance showing that this compound may be phenol, may be quinoline, and may be carbohydrates. And when you see its odor, when you smell it, you will see that it is colorless like the benzamide, which is also colorless, but odorless. But when you discuss the benzoic acid, so benzoic acid has pungent odor in it. So you will say in the interference that esters and ether are absent in it. So because ethers have fruity smell in it, so therefore you will say that these compounds are not present. Now the third test which you would perform is the litmus test. You will take the litmus. You prepare the solution of that compound, and then you will pick a drop of this solution and add upon the litmus paper, and then you will see the color changes. So now you perform the litmus test of the organic solid compound, and in the observation you will observe that there is no change in the color of the litmus paper, means that it is a neutral compound. So we have also see that the benzamide is also a neutral compound, and there is no color changing in it. And when we see the benzoic acid, here the color changes. So because it was a acidic compound. Now you will see the solubility test. You will dissolve this compound into the distilled water, and then you see whether it is soluble or insoluble. So it is soluble in water. So you will say that it is soluble in water. It could be aliphatic compound or aromatic compounds are absent. So okay. So in the benzamide you also see that benzamide is also soluble in water, but when you see the benzoic acid, it is insoluble in cold water but soluble in hot water. Now at the last you will perform another test, that is ignition test. The word ignition means to burn a compound. So you will take this compound and burn it on the tip of spatula. Now you observe the flame which is coming out of it. So no smoky flame, suthi flame appearance hoga. So you will see that whenever the